Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. I'm back at you again today, Monday afternoon, with another beautiful muscle car. This here is a 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle. This car is a 138 VIN code. It is a real super sport. The color on this car is Sea Frost Green Metallic. I know it's got a, to me, looking at the car, I'd say it looks like a silver color. It's got a light touch of green in it maybe, but it looks like a silver car to me, but that is the correct color code for the car, Sea Frost Green Metallic. It is a PP paint code for 1968, and that's what it comes up as. This car has a big block underneath the hood. As far as I can tell, I ran the casting number on it. It looks like it's a 4-bolt main 454 in this car. It is not a 396 as it says, but it is a 4-bolt main big block 454 as far as I know. The car runs extremely well. 4-speed manual transmission. The car has power steering, power brakes. It has disc brakes on the front. Car is a super nice, clean, straight 1968, first year of this body style, 1968 Chevelle Super Sport, big block 4-speed car. You'll see it has the correct SS wheels on it with the caps and the beauty rings. Beautiful car. The paint and body on this car is very nice. It looks super good. Even underneath these lights, it looks very nice. Very nice quality car. Take a look at the interior, that black bucket seats in it. Seats are beautiful. It does have one small little tear. Looks like somebody might have sat down with something in their pocket. It has one small little tear right there in that seat. I do have an upholsterer, a vinyl guy that comes around. I haven't seen him for a little while. I was going to try to have that fixed, but I'm just telling you about it. That way you know. Beautiful door panels with the SS396 emblems in them. SS396 emblem on the dash. Dash pad is in very good shape. The carpet's nice, the back seat's nice, the headliner's nice, your sun visors look good. Back seat is, like I say, really nice, all intact. Your back panel's nice, package tray, very nice. There's your door jambs, your sill plates, door jambs there. Super nice car, everybody. You're looking for a Chevelle, this would be a great car to get. Look at the doors, how nice the doors shut, how nice the door gaps are on the car, up and down. You can see, I try to take you around and show you all the gaps, the hood alignment, the fenders, the doors. I try to show you all that. Not too tight, not too much of a gap. Same way with this side, doors open and shut very nicely. Looks like I got that floor mat a little dirty. Getting in and out. Was all clean, nicely detailed up, and what do you know, I get it all dirty. Sorry everybody, you'll have to fire me. Looking for the keys for the car. I think I stuffed them in my back pocket there. Car's been sitting in here all weekend. Haven't started it. It's going to be a cold start. Starts right up. Your dash lights work. Does have a tripod gauges down below there. I tried turning that radio on the other day and I couldn't make it work. I wonder, it might have a bad fuse in the radio. Left turn signal, right turn signal, horn, bright headlight indicator. This car sounds really nice. The bumpers, all the stainless, all the bright work on the car is in very good shape. You can hear that exhaust, man, that thing sounds nice, just like you would expect a big block to sound. I drove this car down the road. I will take you for a short ride in here at the conclusion of this video. It drives down the road really nice. There's your headlights all working. Turns, left turn, or right turn signal. I'll turn the left one on here for you. You can see how nice the paint is on the car. It looks absolutely spectacular. Even underneath these bright lights. If you're gonna find imperfections in a car, you're gonna find them underneath this light. And it really, really shows very nice in the inside, outside, everywhere you go. This car is a quality car. It's a show winning car. You can take it to a car show. You'll win trophies with this car. People are really going to enjoy this thing. Looks just like it should have when it rolled off the assembly line in 1968. You can check out the bottom of the car. There's no bubbles or blisters that we can see. Like I say, the glass is in good shape. Your chrome's in good shape. All your trim around your windows is in good condition as well. You might see a few fingerprints there. Got one little scuff here right from the mirror. Must have came loose at one time and hit that. I just like to show you all that stuff. Anything I see, I'm going to try to make sure that you see too. There you go. Nice long tube headers. Got a Holley carburetor on it, aluminum intake on it. Nice valve covers. There's power brakes, your brake booster, master cylinder, power steering pump, your reservoir canister's over here. HEI distributor in it. Does have a newer aluminum radiator in it. All your installation is still up there. It's intact like it should be. Very, very nice 68 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport. If you're looking for a real Super Sport, here it is, everybody. 68 Chevelle. Often imitated, never duplicated Super Sport. Nice car. Very enjoyable car to drive. Weather's pretty nice today. Had some rain over the weekend. Last night it stormed pretty good around here. So it's nice to be able to get these cars out today and drive them. I'm by myself as usual, so sorry if the phone gets a little bit herky-jerky there.